The Stoic Path to Unbreakable Focus. 10 Rules to Reclaim Your Power. Unbreakable Focus. The Stoic Warrior's Mindset. Hey, warriors! Focus is the sharp edge of life. Without it, even the strongest sword becomes dull. Without focus, your mind drifts like a boat without a compass, lost in waves of distraction. But when focus lives in your spirit, you can cut through noise, pierce through doubt, and build a life of power, purpose, and peace. Most people aren't defeated because they lack strength or intelligence. They're defeated because their focus has been stolen. Stolen by noise, stolen by temptation, stolen by endless notifications and the opinions of others. The world is designed to scatter your attention. The Stoics knew this thousands of years ago. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Your focus is your power. It's your ability to direct energy toward what truly matters. And when you master it, you no longer serve chaos. You command it. This is what this video is about. Reclaiming your attention, sharpening your mind, and walking the Stoic path to unbreakable focus. 1. Guard your mind like a fortress. Your focus is only as strong as the walls you build around your mind. In ancient times, a city survived only if its walls were unbroken. The Stoics believed the same about the spirit. Marcus Aurelius warned himself, "You have been wandering now, you must stop." Every notification, every meaningless scroll is a crack in your fortress wall. And once the walls fall, distraction invades. So guard your mind. Say no more often than you say yes. Decide that your attention is sacred. If you don't protect your focus, someone else will profit from it. Every app, every platform is fighting to steal a moment of your mind. Guard it like your life depends on it, because it does. 2. Cut away what weakens you. Focus is not about adding more. It's about removing what doesn't matter. A sculptor doesn't create by adding clay. He creates by cutting away the unnecessary. Epictetus said, "If you wish to improve, be content to be thought foolish by others." Most people can't focus because they're carrying too much. Toxic friends, endless scrolling, empty noise. Focus thrives in simplicity. Chaos thrives in excess. Write this truth down. I gain strength by subtraction. When you remove what drains you, you make room for what defines you. 3. Master the power of single tasking. Multitasking is the illusion of progress. Your mind is an arrow. It cannot strike 2 targets at once. Seneca said, "To be everywhere is to be nowhere." You don't need to do more. You need to do one thing. Well, when you write, just write. When you train, just train. When you work, just work. This is how the Stoics lived. Fully present, fully focused. Because to give your all to one moment, one task, one breath, is to master your mind. 4. Discipline your environment. A distracted space creates a distracted spirit. You can't plant seeds in a storm and expect them to grow. Epictetus said, "Keep company only with those who uplift you." That applies to people and to your surroundings. Clean your space. Remove noise. Keep your tools close, your phone far. Turn your environment into a temple for concentration. Focus doesn't survive in chaos, it thrives in order. 5. Train focus through stillness. Stillness is not laziness. Stillness is power. Marcus Aurelius began his mornings in silence, because silence trains the mind like weights train the body. 5 minutes a day, no phone, no noise, just you, your breath, your thoughts. At first, the silence will feel heavy, then it will feel like home. Stillness sharpens awareness, and awareness is the birthplace of focus. 6. Turn obstacles into focus fuel. Distractions don't always look like pleasure. Sometimes they look like problems. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The obstacle to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Pain, frustration, and setbacks can scatter your mind or sharpen it. When life tests you, don't collapse. Convert that energy into clarity. Every challenge is fire, and a Stoic warrior uses fire to forge his focus, not destroy it. 7. Live by ritual, not impulse. The unfocused live by impulse. The Stoic lives by ritual. Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, then do what you must do." Rituals are anchors. They steady you when the storm hits. Morning journaling, focused work hours, evening reflection. These habits build mental armor because discipline beats motivation every time. 8. Control your inner dialogue. Your focus isn't only stolen by noise outside, it's stolen by noise inside. Doubt, fear, overthinking. These are internal thieves. Epictetus reminded us, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Replace "I can't" with "I will." Replace "I'm overwhelmed" with "I'll take the next step." Journal daily. Shape your inner voice. If your thoughts serve you, your focus will too. 9. Strengthen the body, sharpen the mind. The Stoics trained the body so the mind would obey. Seneca wrote, "Treat the body rigorously, that it may not be disobedient to the mind." A tired body weakens focus. A strong body strengthens it. Eat clean, sleep deeply, move daily. Your focus is not just mental, it's physical. Discipline your body, and your mind will follow. 10. Lie as if focus decides everything. The greatest lie is, "I'll focus tomorrow." Tomorrow is a thief. Marcus Aurelius said, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." Focus isn't something you plan for later, it's how you live now. Every moment you scatter your attention, you lose a piece of your life. So live today like focus decides everything. Because it does. Each second of clarity builds your destiny. Each act of attention shapes your future. Remember this truth. You become what you give your attention to. Focus is your blade. Sharpen it daily, protect it fiercely, and you will build a life that no chaos can conquer. Guard your mind. Cut away what weakens you. Train with stillness. Live with discipline. And rise each day with focus and urgency. Because your focus creates your destiny. Comment below, "My focus is my power." And if you're walking this Stoic path, like this video, share it with a warrior who needs it, and subscribe for more wisdom. Now, let's begin your focus training.